is actually going to be my ColourPop haul. This is my very first order with ColourPop. I have never had anything from ColourPop. This is my very first order with ColourPop, so I am super excited about this. It did take about 2 weeks to arrive. And I will try and put like prices and stuff on the screen. Here is the box here, and the box looks like this. So if I can remember, I did get quite a few things, but I can't actually quite remember what I picked up. Definitely securely wrapped. Oh yeah, right, I remember now. So I'm just going to delve into this box. This is the contents of this box. I did get quite a few bits just to try. I think I got enough for like a full face. So if you guys want to see a full face, then I will try and do that. First thing that I see here is this ColourPop No Filter Sheer Pressed Powder. It just looks like this. And this one is in the shade Fair. I really love the packaging. So this is what the back looks like. And this is what the front of it looks like. And you do actually get a little mirror in this as well. So this is what that powder looks like. Oh, it feels super smooth. I cannot wait to use that. So that is the first thing that I ordered. Next thing that I picked up was the ColourPop No Filter Foundation. I think you guys can sort of see a pattern here. A lot of people had been like really raving about them, so I thought I would try these out. This one is in shade Light 45. Honestly, I didn't actually know what shade I would be. I kind of just went for the sort of neutral ones. But this actually does look okay. I really do like the little bottle, it's really nice. I also like that it has a little pump, the applicator. If I do have enough for like a full face, if you guys want to see a full face of ColourPop, then I'll definitely do that for you. Also picked up the No Filter Concealer because this was highly raved about. Lots and lots of YouTubers out there were talking about how good this was. I got this in shade Light 16. Again, I just kind of stuck with the lighter shades. But that actually looks okay. That's what that one looks like. Like it could be a good match, so I'm pretty excited about that. Next item that I picked up was this ColourPop Strike Twice Mini Liquid Lipstick collection. You get 5 different little lipsticks in this, and the colours on the back are Fantasia, which is an ultra glossy lip, Zuma, which is an ultra blotted, Champagne Mammy, which is an ultra glossy, Magic Wand, which is an ultra satin, and Take a Pixie, which is ultra matte. So I'm presuming it's going that way. These shades look really nice. I am loving the packaging on this. It is super adorable, super cute, and these were really quite affordable as well. This real website is actually really affordable. So the next thing that I picked up was this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Deep Dive. It just looks like this. That is that shade right there. I'll try and show you guys without like tipping it everywhere. So that is the shade Deep Dive. It looks insane. I cannot wait to use this. The next thing that I actually received, which was actually a little gift from ColourPop because my order was actually late, I did get a little note, was this lippy pencil. So I didn't actually order this, but I did get it sent to me because my order was late. This is in the shade Oversized, and it's a nice sort of peachy nude shade. Oh, these are super silky. Wow. And it just looks like that. That is amazing. It's a bit of a sort of peachy corally colour. I haven't really tried any sort of shades like that, so I'm really excited about that. The next thing that I picked up was a cream gel liner, and this one is in the shade Show Me. Now I believe this is like a bronzy gold one. Yeah, it is. So it just looks like this. Oh, it's a little twisty one. Wow. Again, this feels super smooth because these feel incredible. I can't wait to wear this on my waterline. So that's that one there. That's the gel eye pencil in shade Show Me. and is a sort of metallic-y shade. Next thing that I picked up was the ColourPop Precision Brow Pencil in the shade Blonde Moment. Not Blonde Moment, Blonde. It's got a little spoolie on the end, which is always handy. Is this a twist up? Oh, yay! It is a twist up. If you can hear it clicking. I'll just swatch this above that one. That colour looks about right. Oh no, you can't twist it down. Oh great. Right, so by the looks of it you can twist it up but you can't twist it back down, so I maybe wouldn't use a lot of product in that. But yep, that seems nice. That's the shade there, Blonde Moment. And last but not least, I did actually pick up the Bretman Rock / ColourPop collab, and this is the Lit palette. This looks absolutely insane. I love the packaging for this. It's just beautiful. I love how it's got the names on it. I love how it's glitter. You guys know me, I love anything glitter, so yeah, I am absolutely loving this. Wow. Holy crap. Oh my god, do you know what? This has just gave me an absolutely great idea for a Valentine's Day look. Oh, I love this. Right, I'm just going to show you guys this palette. That is absolutely stunning. It does have the names on the back as well, so that is really, really nice. Oh, and it's got the names inside it as well. I suppose that's handy. I am definitely going to be using this for a Halloween, not Halloween look, Halloween look. I'm definitely going to be using this for a Valentine's Day look, so if you guys want to see that, just let me know. And that is all for this little ColourPop haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be putting all these products to the test. I did also actually just get another parcel this morning, which actually was the new Revolution stuff. So just before I go, I'm just going to add them into this little haul. I am super, super excited. I'm definitely going to be purchasing more from ColourPop because these look absolutely phenomenal. I'm just going to show you guys the new releases from Revolution. They have actually come out with a matte sort of collection, and I did manage to pick up some of their new collection, so I'll just show you what I managed to pick up. I think I got 2 of everything really. Yeah. Oh, and I got the concealer palette too. Right, so the first thing that I picked up was the Revolution matte base concealer kit in shades 1 to 4. Now this is actually a concealer, and a powder. It's not all concealers, just in case you guys do get a little bit confused with that, or if you've picked this up thinking that it is all concealers. It's not. You do actually get a powder in this as well. I don't actually normally use these sort of little compacts, but the price for this range was just absolutely astonishing. Like, I think this was like £4. Their concealer sticks were like £3, their powders were like £3, and the actual foundation was only a £5. So I just couldn't pass that up, and I just really, really wanted to see what it was like. I picked this up on the Superdrug website yesterday, and I got it this morning, so I just thought I would add it into this haul. I did actually pick up 2 of the new Revolution matte base powders as well. This one is in shade P1, and it just looks like this. And this one is in shade P7. Thought I'd get one a little bit deeper just so I could use for like contouring and bronzing, but it actually might be a little bit too light. I'm not too sure, but I'm sure it will come in handy for something. Guys, these were £3 each, and I think that's absolutely amazing for a powder. I have actually currently been trying their new Bake and Blot powder, and so far I absolutely love it. It's definitely comparable to the Rimmel Stay Matte. I can definitely say that just now. I love it, love it, love it, and I've been using it. I've got it on my face just now. I am a big, big fan of it. I also picked up 2 of the Revolution matte base concealers. These are a full coverage concealer. I think these are kind of similar to their Conceal and Define. That is my overall favourite foundation, and it's my overall favourite concealer. It's amazing. It is absolutely amazing. I'm really not a fan of like these little stick sort of concealers. but they do feel really creamy. This one is in the shade C11 and it is actually pretty orange toned. It's really the wrong shade for me. I was actually looking for something a wee bit more cool toned, but I'm sure we'll be able to make it work maybe when I'm tanned or something. That is that shade right there. I did also buy shade C1 as well, just to see what they were like. I think these ones are more for like round about your face concealing more, instead of like under eyes and stuff. So yeah, I'll just put that one there. They are definitely really creamy. Oh yeah, definitely. You can really blend them out as well actually. So I think they're actually going to be okay. That's what that one looks like, if you guys can see. And last but not least, I did actually pick up 2 of the new Revolution Matte Base Pore Blurring Full Coverage Foundations. Now these are in little tubes like this. You do actually get 28ml of product, which is so annoying because I wish it would have just been 30. But hey ho, I did pick it up in F1 and in F8. I just feel like holding these like this, these do not feel like they have a lot of product in them, but that could just be because the product is very thick and like, I genuinely can't even hear it moving about. So I'm presuming this product is pretty thick. But yeah, this is the new Revolution Matte Foundations and I'm definitely, so yeah, I'll definitely be trying this out as well. These were £5 each. I did go for F1, which was like one of the lightest shades, and F8, which was a sort of medium shade. They do have little stoppers on the bottom as well, which is also very good. So please do stay tuned guys, because I do have a lot more videos coming up. I will be using this ColourPop stuff soon. If you guys want to see a look with that lip palette, just let me know. As well as some more reviews and stuff coming up. I have bought a bunch of makeup recently and I really do have to go on a no spend because it's just insane now. Just looking at it all over my desk right now is kind of freaking me out. But yeah, that is all for this little haul today. It was just meant to be the ColourPop haul, but the Revolution stuff did actually come as well, so I thought I may as well just put it in with this video. But thank you guys so much for watching this. If you did like, please do not forget to subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.